In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the refrigerator compartment thermistor cover in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a thermistor cover, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To get access to the cover, we'll need to remove these two drawers. To remove, pull the drawers out until they stop, tilt up on the front and out. The thermistor is located here. Remove the thermistor cover by firmly pinching the top and bottom while pulling away from the assembly. Then, carefully remove the thermistor from the cover. When shopping for a thermistor cover, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install the cover, position it with the wire retainer to the bottom, snap the thermistor in place, align the top, rotate down, and press into place. To reinstall the pantry drawer, insert the rear at an angle onto the rails with the roller wheels aligned, tilt down, and push closed. To install the drawer, insert the rear onto the rails with the roller wheels aligned and push closed. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.